So to go right, I'm gonna indicate right, then I'm gonna slow down the car, get into the turning lane, and then I'm gonna go to second gear, slowing down. Now this is a little bit tricky. I need to actually give way twice. First, I need to give way to cars on this road going straight and then move forwards. And then I need to give way to cars which are coming from the left going towards the motorway. So here I'm gonna look, make sure that I wait until there's enough gap. Because these cars are going fast, I need a bit more space. So no one is coming, so I'm gonna increase the speed. That car was in the left lane, so that's okay. Change gear, increase the speed again, change gear. Here I need to speed up. There's also a Form 1 lane sign, so I need to quickly look on the left and then increase the speed again, get the speed up, fifth gear, increase the speed, and then I'm gonna check my mirrors indicating and then show that check and then merge. Now you can see that I merged there doing around 85 kilometers per hour. It's very important that when merging to the motorway, you get your speed up quickly. In a manual car, you need to really pick up the speed quickly because automatic drivers, they can just put their foot on the accelerator and the car will go. But in a manual, you also need to be changing gear so that the car speeds up. And then here on the motorway, it's just a matter of like making sure that our road position is good, making sure that we don't go over the speed limit, and also making sure that we maintain a safe gap from the cars in front. That's important. If you get too close, so usually that's about 2 seconds gap, if you drive less than 1 second gap from the car in front of you, you're gonna fail the test.